So we're going to learn today to play slow. Slow is emotional. Slow is meditative. And it's all about playing a really nice, simple pattern, really slow. You want to feel the vibration, you want to feel the energy. You don't want to go. And sometimes, yes, fast songs, we all play fast songs and it is nice sometimes, but sometimes we want to just feel the energy, feel the vibration, feel the frequency. I'm going to call it chord one, well, I'm going to two notes. So think of yourself as an L, as if you're intermediate, you already know this. But yeah, so we're going to go this one, that chord, and that's all, and that is what we're going to play in regards to two notes. Ooh, then we're going to spice up a little. So what you're going to do is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get that bit of a dramatic, and again you can build up faster later on if you want to, but just play it nice and slow. It's harder to play. A lot of handpan players find it harder to play slow than they do fast. So if you play, but I'm having to double it up to make it sound roughly the same time, make it sound like the same timing. So literally just go. And you're already building that dramatic up, and especially on the fourth. So we go. So all we're doing is just going 1, 2, 3, 4. But on the fourth one, I want you to just hit a little bit harder than the 1, 2, 3. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what we're trying to do is build dynamic, but we're also trying to build that nice slow meditative pattern. So once we've got used to that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the fourth, you can make it stronger. So you can change it up a bit. You can make number 1. So if you go 1, 2, 3, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what you want to do. You just try experimenting, even if you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice dynamic. It's lovely to practice it slow. So simple as that. I know it's a really short, it's only a little bit. It's only 2 notes each time. But what I want you to do is literally then change it up. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want you to add in a note that sounds right. So I want you, this is your self-explanatory of understanding your freedom, if you want to put it that way, sorry. Yeah. So just go 1, 2, 3, and then on the fourth one, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want you to experiment. So we're going to just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want you to experiment. You can use the ding, use a harmonic. All about you experimenting. So I want you on the fourth, you can do it with me, I want you to find your own one. You can copy me if you want to, perfectly fine, but find your own. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it just sounds really nice. Then go back to it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what it's teaching is slow it down, but make it sound right for you. Because half the time you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then do the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But to me, there's just no. I find playing slow gives you that build, or gives you that effect. It makes you feel like, whoa, like you feel the emotion. Then you might want to build it up, so eventually you start gradually building it. But today's it's more about go slow, have some fun. So have some fun and build up. But it's just a simple technique, and have some fun with it. All about having fun. But if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, give me a love heart, and subscribe if you want to see more handpan videos. And then, yeah, I'll catch you again.